Drone operators generally come in three types. There are those that just enjoy the technology and flying around with a drone up in the air. There are those that want to utilize the drone's camera and go up and take some amazing photography. And there are those that like to explore the movie making side of it. Now, if you are in that latter group, I have potentially got a product that I think you might find utterly fantastic when it comes to being able to get smooth cinematic footage quite easily. So let's get into it. Now, there is no denying drone operators come with a variety of experience levels. There are those that can pretty much put a drone up in the air in gale force winds and they'll still be able to manage smooth footage because they're that good on the sticks, right down to the beginners or intermediates that need a little bit more help. Now, when I review a product on my channel, I want to make sure that it is absolutely something that I can put my heart into recommending for my viewers. So the products I'm talking about then are these Cinesticks. These Cinesticks are by a company called Scotty Make Stuff in Australia, and what they do is they actually replace your standard manufacturer sticks in your DJI remote control. And because they have a hardened silicon outer, what actually happens is they provide real world resistance, meaning when you are flying along, because you've got that resistance on the stick, you are less likely to make jerky movement. What I really like about this kit as well is the fact that you do get an instruction manual and you get these adapter pieces. So if you are running an older controller, such as the one that came with the DJI Mavic Air or the DJI Mavic Mini, you can use these sticks in there as well. And what basically happens is the more you screw them in, you actually gain resistance. If it's too much, you very simply widen them back out, and they are fully adjustable to your preference, so you can add resistance or take it away. Many of you ask one simple question: what settings should I change my yaw rotation speeds to? Most of the YouTubers will generally give you some values and suggest that I should try this and try this and try this. The trouble with that is you're constantly chasing somebody else's ideals, okay? And it might not be quite right for you. My suggestion is to keep everything stock and just be a little bit smoother on the sticks. And this is where this new product comes in. And personally, I think they're a much better solution. Now, the trouble I'm going to have is actually demonstrating how good these actually work. Very simply because, as you know, if you are familiar with the channel, I already can fly incredibly cinematically and I'm already really good on these sticks. So I'm going to have to think outside the box on this one. So the solution I have is Alex.
Hi.
Alex has never ever flown a drone before. In fact, she doesn't even play video games, so there's actually no chance she should be any good with these sticks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the DJI Mini 2 up in the air, get it out the way so she can't hit anything, give the controls to Alex, and then what should happen is hopefully she can fly this drone in a nice smooth circle, or at least attempt it, okay? Now, if she can do that, having never flown a drone before, I think it's quite clear that this product actually works. And of course, you can be the judge whether these work or not. So let's get into it. So full disclosure, here is the controller. You can see the sticks are now fitted and I am running the DJI Fly app. And to make this even more complicated, I'm not even giving it the advantage of Cine Smooth mode. You can see the controller is in normal mode, okay? And again, for full disclosure, if we flick to my screen, you can see if I go into control, then advanced gimbal settings, okay, for normal mode, for normal mode at the top, they are all on their full setting, okay? You go ahead and hit that take off. Right, so let's go up then, up in the air, okay? So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to pass the controller to Alex, and then from then on, it was going to be her. So, do you want to come in? There's the controller, okay? We are well above anything, all right? So if you just hit that right stick gently to the left, there you go, and then push your left stick slightly to the right, and slightly less on the left stick. There we go. Now gently come off the left stick. Alright, and gently come off the right stick. There we go. Now what I want you to do now is just take that right stick and go slightly to the other side, and then do the same with the other stick. Go the same way. There we go. Certainly not perfect, but you can see on screen right now, obviously I'm not controlling the drone, the recordings were started at the exact same time, and this is what she is achieving. Alex, do you want to switch to the configuration you were switching before? So lift off both sticks, and then go the other way. Start with the right stick, as smooth as possible. Just try and do it a little bit slower, so ease the sticks outwards slightly. Right, I certainly think we can call that a wrap. Alex, you want to just stop flying now? So there we go. I think that absolutely proves concept. And of course, you can be the judge all by yourself. The drone is up there somewhere, so I better bring it back down. But ultimately, I think this product is absolutely fantastic. So I want to just quickly piece in, guys. If we look at the screenshot, you can actually see that I had actually had the rotation speed set incredibly high on normal mode. So this is actually me flying now. And if I go to very simply tap the stick, this is with the stock controller and the stock sticks. Look how fast that rotation actually is, okay? And that's the same settings that was used just to prove it. Here we go. If you go to control and advanced gimbal settings, that's the actual same speed that was set, okay, in the video. So yeah, just to show how much of an incredible job those Cinesticks actually do. Of course, I will leave a link to this product in the video description, and I'll possibly put a link up there as well. And just to let you know, guys, is I was sent these products for free, but I'm not on any commission. I've got no affiliate links for these. I just wholeheartedly believed that there was a good product and that you will find them useful. So if you found this video useful, please do give it a big thumbs up, and of course, please do consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again soon.